Okay, now metric unit conversions. Okay, so you can use a mnemonic like King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk to do conversions till here. Okay, and I'm gonna write this is 10 to the power of negative 12. This is 10 to the power of negative 9, and this is 10 to the power of negative 6, and milli is 10 to the power of negative 3, and after that is just 1 tenth difference is 10 to the power of negative 1. This is negative 2, and this is negative 1, and this is base 1, then 10, then 100, and then it is 1000. Okay, so whenever you get the number, if you are going towards the right, you are multiplying with tens. Okay, if you are going towards the left, you will divide with the tens. So these are the bigger unit and these are the smaller unit. Okay, so see for example, a base unit, you all need to understand what our base units are. Base units, the commonly used base units are meter, gram, meter for length, and gram for mass, and liter for volume. Okay, so if I'm going to give you a question to convert liter to milliliter, okay, so you are going from here to here. Okay, so I'm going to write so 2.5 liter, convert that into milliliter. Okay, so if you want to write on your test, just write KHDB DCM. Okay, King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. So you are here, you will multiply 110, 210, 310. So you will multiply 2.5 liter. If you want to do the dimension analysis, I will write this is your 1 liter. Okay, so 1 liter has how many tens? There is 1, 2, 3 tens to reach the milliliter. Okay, so now what we can do, just cross the liters and liters out. So you need to multiply the numbers, so you will get 2.5, to multiply that, so you will get 2500 milliliter. So that is your final answer. So whenever you convert towards the right, smaller unit, your value will become bigger. Okay, because the unit is smaller. Okay, let's go backwards. Okay, say for example, let's go from milligram. You have 3500 milligram, and you are going to convert that into gram. It's the same thing. Okay, so this time you are given a milligram, you are going backward towards the base unit. So I will start the T chart. You will write 3500 milligram. Then you will write, since you are going towards the left, the bottom value, the milligram will be the biggest value. Or you can write in the power of negative. I don't care, you can do whatever methods you want. So you can write like 1000 milligram is what? 1 gram. Or you can write 3500 milligram. 1 milligram, you going how many times towards the left? 3 times the left, so you can write that much gram. Whatever method you prefer, go with that. Okay, Now just solve that, both the methods, you will end up in the same answer, okay? So here you will get 3.5 gram. Here also you can write 3.5 gram. Okay, so now I will show you examples if you are going like from meter to nanometer. Okay, let's see if you that's a commonly used units in nanometer is a commonly used unit in science. You might have seen that while we learning wavelength uh, in the slides. Okay, let's see if you have. Uh, 520 nanometer, how will you convert that into meter? Okay, so we need to have a conversion factor, right? We need a conversion factor. You can write, I always said, you can write in negative or you can write in positive. That's up to you. So I'm going to see this is a nanometer. It is 10 to the power of negative 9 and the meter is here. How many times you have to come here? It is 10 to the minus 9 and you have to come to the 1. That means 10 to the power of negative 9. So I'm going to write 1 nanometer is equal to 10 to the power of negative 9 meter. Or you can write the opposite way, like putting like 9 zeros on the bottom, like the one we did here. Okay, but I will prefer this one because that is easy for you to do the calculation, right? So the answer will be, you can write 520 times 10 to the power of negative 9 meter, or write that in scientific notation, which will be 5 times 5.2 times 10 to the power of negative 7 meter. Okay, now I'll show you an example if you are going backwards. Okay, so say for example, if you have uh, 7.5 times 10 to the power of 10 picometer, okay, and you have to convert that into meter. Okay, let's start from the T chart, which is 7.5 times 10 to the power of 10 picometer. Just write. Okay, then you will write 1 picometer. See, picometer is here and you can see the number there. I wrote it for you and you are going to convert from back here. Okay, so you are going to write, you are going backwards forward this time, so you are going to write 1. Oh, I wrote the same problem, that's okay. Okay, so you are going to write 10 to the power of negative 12 meter. Okay, so the answer is, you can write, it will become again a big small number. So that is minus 10 and minus 12. You don't need a calculator, you can just add them. That will be 22 meter. Okay, let's go backward. I said backward, but I did the same question. Okay, let's go. I'm going to give you a meter value and you are going to find how much nanometer that will be. Okay, so if you have 7, 5, 2, 3 meter, okay, and you are going to convert that into nanometer or picometer. Okay, this time we are converting our bigger number into a smaller unit, bigger unit into smaller unit. Let's see. So I'm gonna write 7523 meter, and you can write, I have 1 meter is equal to how much nanometer is that. Okay, this time we are going towards this direction, That means 1 nanometer is how much? 1 meter is how much meter? So we need to go backward. So I'm going to write 1 meter has how much nanometer is this time? So it has 10 to the power of 9 nanometer will be there. Okay, so your answer will be, you can write it is 7523 times 10 to the power of 9 nanometer, or write in the scientific notation, which will be 7523 times 10 to the power of 12, not negative, uh, 12 nanometer. So that's how we are going to do it. So whenever you go into the smaller unit, you will get a bigger number. If you are going backwards, you will get a smaller number. Okay, so double unit conversion. Now I'll do one example.